Hello SKB Diary. Meet the Vermeer WC2300 whole tree chipper, a true powerhouse that effortlessly converts full-size trees into manageable wood chips. Imagine turning huge logs into fine, usable mulch in minutes. With an aggressive feed system and a 440 horsepower engine, this machine does more than just operate. It devours everything in its path. Whether you're clearing land or managing forest waste, the WC2300 makes the job simple and effective, leaving you with a clean environment and a sense of success. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer for everybody in the forestry industry. The Posh debarking machine is a miracle for anyone who works with rootwood. Imagine effortlessly removing bark to reveal smooth, immaculate logs beneath in seconds. With its powerful revolving blades and precision control, this machine not only saves time, but also alters your workflow. Whether you're preparing logs for further processing or boosting firewood quality, the Posh debarking machine makes the procedure seem nearly straightforward. Say goodbye to back-breaking manual labor and hello to streamlined productivity. It's like working with a valued partner on every log. The Cambio 800 debarker is a workhorse designed for heavy-duty log handling with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Imagine effortlessly peeling bark from enormous logs thanks to its strong feed rollers and a high-speed rotor system that can handle even the toughest timber. Whether you're working in a sawmill or preparing wood for building, the Cambio 800 makes a time-consuming activity simple and efficient. It's more than simply a machine. It's a powerhouse that keeps your production line going smoothly, providing speed and satisfaction with each flawlessly debarked log. The Meber VDZ is a game changer in the world of sawmills, providing unprecedented versatility and precision. Picture slashing through enormous logs with ease because to its powerful cutting technology and automatic controls. Whether you're working with hardwood or softwood, the Meber VDZ consistently produces precise cuts, minimizing waste and increasing yield. Its sturdy frame maintains stability, and its user-friendly design makes operations simple for everyone, regardless of skill level. With the Epi-4 VDZ, you're not just cutting wood, you're creating perfection with each pass, highlighting the beauty and value of each log. The Drumet WD-240M is a beast in wood processing, capable of handling even the most difficult tasks with ease. Imagine ripping through logs and branches like butter, thanks to its powerful motor and effective cutting technology. Whether you're managing forest debris or preparing firewood, the WD-240M provides unrivaled speed and dependability. Its compact yet sturdy design makes it simple to travel and use in any area, providing you the ability to handle jobs of any size. With the Drumet WD-240M, every cut feels powerful, accurate, and smooth, transforming difficult projects into swift wins. The Rotany H8D is a tiny harvester with great power and agility, built to easily maneuver through dense woodlands. Imagine working with a machine that not only chops lumber efficiently but also precisely, thanks to its cutting-edge harvester head and smart control system. Whether you're thinning young stands or harvesting mature trees, the H8D's agile design minimizes ground impact while producing maximum output. It's more than just a harvester, it's your trusted buddy in the woods, making every operation easier, faster, and more sustainable, giving you a sense of control over the forest. The Barco 240 dangle is the perfect solution for high-performance tree handling, combining power and finesse unlike any other. Imagine effortlessly swinging this grapple saw into place, with its flexible boom arm allowing you to cut, grasp, and handle big logs with precision. Built for harsh conditions, the 240 dangle excels in both forestry and land clearing tasks, providing unrivaled control even in the most difficult terrain. Whether you're working with timber or clearing land, the Barco 240 turns hard work into smooth, controlled efficiency, providing you the ability to easily overcome nature's most difficult hurdles.